In this video, I'll show you how to zoom in or out of Google Docs. If the text in your document looks too small or too large, Google Docs makes it easy to adjust the zoom. Google's official help says that on a computer, you can change the zoom directly from the toolbar by clicking the current zoom level, usually something like 100%, and then choosing a different size. Google also says you can enter a number anywhere from 50 to 200%. Let's start on a computer. Open your Google Docs file, then look at the toolbar near the top of the page. You should see the current zoom setting, often 100%. Click that number, and a menu will open. From there, choose the zoom level you want. If you want the document to appear larger, choose a higher number like 125% or 150%. If you want it smaller, choose a lower number like 75% or 50%. Google's help page confirms that this is the standard way to zoom in or out in Google Docs on desktop. Google also says that in Docs, you can use the Fit option if you want the document to adjust to the width of your browser window. That can be useful when you want the page to fill more of the screen without manually testing several zoom percentages. Instead of choosing a fixed number, Fit automatically adjusts the view so the document matches the available space in the browser. Now let's talk about keyboard shortcuts, because they are often faster than using the toolbar. Google's official keyboard shortcuts page says you can zoom in with Ctrl++, zoom out with Ctrl+-, and return to normal size with Ctrl+0 on a computer. These shortcuts are helpful if you want to adjust the view quickly while you work. If you are on a mobile device, the process is different. Google's Android help page says you can zoom in by pinching open with 2 fingers and zoom out by pinching closed. So on the Google Docs app, you usually do not need a toolbar zoom menu like you have on desktop. You just use the standard pinch gesture on the screen. There is one more useful thing to know. Google says Docs remembers your most recent view, and changing your zoom does not affect how the document looks for other people viewing the same file. So if you zoom in to make the text easier to read, that only changes the view on your screen, not theirs. Also, if the whole Google Docs site looks too small or too large, not just the page itself, that may be your browser zoom instead of the document zoom. Chrome's official help says browser zoom can be changed in Chrome settings under Appearance with the page zoom option. That affects the whole web page, not just the document area. So the simple process is this. On a computer, click the zoom percentage in the toolbar and choose a new size, or use Ctrl++ to zoom in and Ctrl+- to zoom out. On mobile, just use the pinch gesture to make the document bigger or smaller. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.